On the Golden Jubilee anniversary of Children's Academy, let us take a trip down memory lane to remind us of the achievements and the struggles that led us to this glorious day.
It all began in a small town in Udupi near Mangalore, Karnataka, where our beloved founder, late Sri V.V. Bhatt sir, was born in a family of educationists in the year 1930. His glorious academic journey commenced at his ancestral school, Kadiali Higher Primary School, where he went on to attain the post of the school headmaster. Post the completion of his graduation and post-graduation from the University of Mysore, Bhatt sir soon moved to the city of Mumbai to pursue his passion for education. In the year 1958, Bhatt sir's stint began with NKES School in Vadala as an assistant teacher, and he further served as the principal of Kannada Knight High School. In 1965, he joined the Education Department of the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation as an Inspector of Education for private primary schools. It is during this tenure, whilst inspecting the schools of Mumbai, Bhatt sir identified the need of a school that would focus on holistic and inclusive education. This led to the inception of his dream venture, Children's Academy.
The foundation for the first school was laid in 1970. This modest institution operated out of a few rented shops in the premises of a residential building in Malad, Ishwar Bhavan. His spouse, Mrs. E.V. Bhatt, along with providing unflinching support to her husband, served as a mentor, philosopher, and guide to the staff of the institution, who looked up to her in admiration and adulation. Bhatt sir's founding team, which had associated with him to carry his dream ahead, was personally trained by him. This team built the roadmap for a glorious journey towards making the next generation of learners and leaders. As the word about the dedication of Bhatt sir and his team spread, more and more parents wanted their wards to join Children's Academy. There was a need to build infrastructure that could accommodate the growing number of students.
But this success did not come without its own set of hardships. A plot that Bhatt sir had purchased for the school in Malad required various clearances from the government. He decided to construct a temporary barrack-like structure on the plot as a temporary provision for classrooms. However, soon after the structure was deemed illegal by the BMC and was razed down, what followed was a 7-year-long battle. And in the year 1986, Bhatt sir finally managed to get all the necessary permissions. The construction of the school commenced and Children's Academy Malad finally came into existence. Bhatt sir, along with the support of his wife and a hard-working team, strived to provide holistic and quality education to the students. This was clearly evident from the all-round participation from the students of Children's Academy in events, exhibitions, sports, performing arts, and much more. Bhatt sir gave special emphasis to incorporating co-curricular activities as a part of the students' holistic learning, which he felt was missing in the curriculum of other institutions. Children's Academy was founded with the dream of creating a platform for children to showcase their talent and creativity.
In the year 1985, Mr. Rohan Bhatt, the eldest son of Bhatt sir and Madam Bhatt, took over the responsibilities from his father and followed his pedagogic ideologies. Looking into the operations of the Malad school, Rohan sir assured the growth of the institute, and Children's Academy soon became a household name. Having been schooled at the Malad branch, Rohan sir grew through the ranks from being a teacher to the post of the principal. He supervised the construction of the 7-storied Malad branch, which was completed in the year 1991, and the students were then shifted to the brilliant new classrooms. Under the able leadership of a tech-savvy Rohan sir, Children's Academy adopted technology to facilitate classroom learning as well as smoother administrative functions. With the Malad branch smoothly functioning under Rohan sir, Bhatt sir's focus now shifted to the expansion of this venture, and hence, Children's Academy in Ashoknagar, Kandivali East came into existence. Bhatt sir's younger son, Mr. Rohit Bhatt, took up the responsibility of helming the new branch and taking forward the pedagogic principles already established at the Malad branch.
After 2 successfully running ventures, there was no looking back for the Children's Academy family. Soon, the quest to expand further began. Bhatt sir acquired land to start a 3rd branch at Thakur Complex in Kandivali East. The vision of quality education led us to grow with 3 highly acclaimed branches running successfully today. After hanging up his boots in 1990, Bhatt sir ventured into a new pursuit, that of being an active eco-conservationist. He constructed a campsite for children at Kaman village in Vasai. The site is a beautiful and refreshing haven for the students of the school to unwind in nature's bounty.
As the responsibilities grew, the 2 Bhatt brothers were ably assisted by their spouses, Miss Monica Bhatt and Miss Charlotte Bhatt. Miss Monica Bhatt took up the responsibility of the Thakur Complex branch under her purview. Having joined the institution in the early 90s, she was promoted as the administrator of Children's Academy, Thakur Complex branch. Miss Charlotte Bhatt became associated with the school in 1998. She took over the employment engagement program of the group to oversee the needs of hundreds of staff members across the huge institution. The Bhatt brothers and their wives ardently participate in all the events and are a constant source of inspiration for the entire institution.
The last 5 decades of the academy and its immense growth is just a drop in the ocean of educational excellence that Mr. V.V. Bhatt had envisioned and striven for all through his memorable life. Living a life full of challenges, Bhatt sir always treated every failure as a challenge to overcome. He has inspired us with his exemplary perseverance and dedication. Today, Mr. V.V. Bhatt sir is surely smiling when he looks down from the heavens to see such a sprawling, well-equipped institution that is a name to reckon with.